Hello everyone, in this short video I want to show you a cool lick using double stops, and the lick works over a D dominant chord. And D dominant means that the D chord is followed by a G chord. For example, in the key of G, let's say we have a chord progression that goes like G, C, D and G. When I play that D chord I can play my lick using double stops. Let's check it out. Just improvising over that chord progression. I play something over the G chord, something over the C chord. Then we went to D, I went to D, and for the D chord I played the lick. That is pretty simple. It's very simple and it works. I think you can twist the lick in many ways, but let's have a look at the fingering first. So index finger on the 3rd string, 5th fret, and ring finger on the 4th string, 2 frets higher. That's the first double stop. Then you slide down 1 fret with your index finger and you go with the middle finger this time on the 4th string. And then you slide down 2 frets and you use your ring finger again on the 4th string, and that's the last double stop. And then you finish up with just an open G string. So first position, 2nd, 3rd, and open G. And you can slide into the 1st position with a quick slide up to the 7th fret with your ring finger. And there you have it. That's the lick. Again, slowly sliding to the 7th fret. So let me play it again. So there you have it. This is a very simple lick and it's easy to remember, I think, and maybe in the future I will elaborate that lick a little more. Maybe I will show you what else you can do using those positions. Okay, but that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments if you know those double stops and if you've been using them, or let me know if you enjoyed the video. All right, bye bye. I will see you in the next video.